myself Srini Dharmireddi, and I have 20 plus years experience in IT. I started my career in C++, Java, J2 technology, but from last 10 years, I'm working specific for IBM ODM tool, and I got opportunity to work for multiple customers. So my specialization to set up IBM ODM tool, the customer who doesn't know anything about the tool. Everyone want to use IBM ODM tool, but along with IBM ODM tool, we need a .NET experience, we need a DBA experience, we need a Java J2 technology, we need architecture experience. The good thing is, as I mentioned, I have 20 plus years experience. I worked on all the technology. So it's a good opportunity for me to set up everything newly. The customer doesn't have any experience in the tool. The customers who are using the tool, as I mentioned that IBM is every year changing the new version. So definitely customer doesn't know knowledge of the new version. And right, IBM won't publish everything in the open, right? So that is the main thing. They need to understand what is the new features. And the second thing is most of the people in the customer side doesn't know anything about, because the tool can be used for business users, developers, and testers, everyone, right? So everyone doesn't know about the tool, how to utilize. Developer knows only development part, and tester knows only testing part, and architecture team knows only architecture team. No one cover all the areas who has a good knowledge. That is the main thing. So I can say lack of knowledge in the customer. The second thing, migration. IBM won't send a notification or information, hey, I'm going to upgrade, I'm going to change the version next 6 months, I'm going to stop license in next 6 months. They won't communicate early. So customer always surprising. Within month or 2 months, hey, my current version is going to end, I need to upgrade next version. Definitely they will lose the support, whatever IBM provided. And IBM ask more money to get extra support, any version is expiring, right? So that is the opportunity again, right? Recently I worked with one of the customer, I don't know, Walmart. They got the notification, the version what they're using is going to expire in April end. But it's not easy to upgrade the current system within a month or 2 months, right? So I got opportunity to support in a couple of months. If I ask IBM, they will charge more. But as a SME from Origina, we can support couple of months. Parallelly, they start upgrading. But until complete that upgrade, we need to support the current version. So that is the main challenge. So one of the customer recently, they got the production severity 1 issue because of database, some sequences are not working in the tool. And they contact us because I cannot change IBM database, right? So I can guide them. We need to contact IBM, right? So that is the specific scenario. Definitely we need IBM help. So they call me. They asked, is there any way to can fix from Origina? I told very clearly, yes. I identified the issue and I told the issue with the tool database, the original database. I think they migrated Oracle 11G to 19C. So while migrating, they missed some indexes or something. So I identified the issue, but I didn't know what indexes they changed from 11G to 19C. Even if I identified, I don't know how to fix. How do I get delta from IBM to fix the 19C? So then I suggested customer to create a severity 1 to IBM. I was in the same call, but IBM again started asking too much information. Customer may not know how to drive the call itself, right? So that is where from Origina, I'm going to help. Hey, this is the issue. I already identified the issue. Okay. So 11G to 19C, there was the issue. Customer doesn't know what is the database changes to require. Then IBM started thinking from there. So they identified, they provided a couple of missed sequences and indexes as a delta, and we applied, and the issue was fixed. Of course, it took 2 days to IBM to provide also, but issue was fixed. So as a Origina, if you're not there, IBM will start asking too much questions from customer. Customer may not know to explain what they need. They always tell my production system is not working. So that is the way Origina helps a lot actually. Not only Origina may not resolve the issue, but always help to explain to IBM what is the real issue. It's a code issue, it's a database issue, the tool issue, whatever. onboarding is a really little bit typical process because we don't have much time to understand that as per our original process always onboarding. But some customers, small customers, is easy to understand, but some big customers, very complex architecture, to understand that architecture itself, it takes a lot of time because we are supporting multiple customers. We don't know. The tool is same. The IBM ODM tool is same, but as I mentioned, that every customer have their own requirement, own customization, many things. So definitely it's a challenge. Once you start onboarding, try to understand their documentation, architecture, how their business, everything. For small customers, we can quickly onboard it and start working on that. For few customers, yeah, we need to spend more time offline to understand architecture and their complexity and their business. Relationship is very important, right? So basically, I have set up questions while onboarding any customer, but I don't ask all the questions for every customer. First, I try to look at the audiences who are in the other side, in customer side. Sometimes business users, they doesn't know about the technology, but they know very well in the business. And sometimes technical team is there. They try to explain the technology and architecture. They don't know about the business. So depends on audience, depends on the customer side folks. You try to understand first what is the architecture and how many rules and what is the environment, how many environment they have. So definitely we also started documenting that. Why very seriously while starting discussion itself, documenting everything, because I don't want to ask same question again. It's a good opportunity to understand everything within that fixed time. So onboarding process is very important for me because once we come to the customer, we should be able to help them. So if you don't understand anything, if you commit something, if you don't help, that is a problem. So that's why I try to understand completely while onboarding itself. I'm okay to ask same question again, but until I get understand, I keep communicating either phone or email. Most of the time, lacking of knowledge, they're expecting different, and we are trying to give something. So that is a challenge one side. On the other side, few customers would understand, hey, someone giving something, it's helpful. I may not understand now, but in future I can understand. But some customers, they're taking decision quickly without understanding what we are trying to explain. So yeah, I say the customers like that who are dropped in middle of discussion itself. Because as I mentioned that while onboarding, I may ask many questions. I'm asking questions for you, not for me, because I need to understand if I want to help you. If you're expecting some help from me, I need to understand what you're there. So sometimes they feel bad, I don't know, but middle of an onboarding discussion itself, they may drop.